Hi Aries and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of March is going to be for you. I will encourage you if you can watch the February prediction videos just to figure out how many things are actually resonating with you, and that will give you an idea about how much should you follow the exercises, the meditations and everything that I tell you, because the intention of making these videos is not really to tell you what is going to happen, but to give you the ability to change that and make things better for you. So that is why do watch the videos and see if it is resonating. Do follow the exercises that I tell you in this video. So looking at your cards, the first thing that I will kind of tell you about here. So let's just begin how month of March is going to be for you. Month of March is actually a beautiful month for you, because I kind of feel that this month is going to bring abundance to you. This month is bringing in some celebrations to you. This month some people from the past are going to come back, and you'll be able to let go of some things, resentments, thoughts that you're holding on to. There is guidance that is flowing into your life. There is travel that is possible this month. There are choices that you're going to make, and some plans of yours are going to be successful this month. The only two things that I will tell you to be careful of this month. One, don't be afraid of changes and don't be afraid of taking action. Action is very important this month. Making right choices and moving ahead with those choices is very important this month. And second, don't burden yourself. Don't overburden yourself with thoughts, with things, with people, with responsibilities. Don't overburden yourself. So let's just start with your health. From your health perspective, the first thing that I will tell you this month is take care of your diet well. So take care of what you're putting into your stomach, especially the food, the water. Stomach health is going to be important this month. Second, this month spine health is again going to be very important. So ensure that you're not burdening yourself, or you're not overburdening yourself with thoughts, with things, or with responsibilities, or you're not kind of overdoing things, because that's again important to kind of take care of your back and take care of your spine health. Now, other than that, yes, you need to also take care of your hands, because I kind of feel something related to hand might happen. So take care of your hands very well this month. Be careful while you are holding something which is very very hot. And take care of yourself from getting hit anywhere. So this is something that I kind of see on your cards. But if you actually be careful, if you don't indulge into negativity, don't indulge into negative thoughts, don't indulge into sadness, you will be more conscious, you'll be more careful, and that is when you'll be able to take care of yourself in a better way, and then there shouldn't be any problems. I don't see any big issues coming to your life this month in terms of health. In terms of your mental, emotional health, again, this is the month where you don't have to indulge into sadness and negativity, limiting beliefs, limiting thoughts, sadness, what is lost, what is not there, how much am I burdened, what is not happening in the right way, where am I not moving in the right direction. All those thoughts should not come to your mind. End of the month, there is King of Pentacle, 10 of Pentacle. Beautiful cards to have. Your life is going wonderfully well. This is just a little bit of roadblock that you have, but that is a blessing in the disguise, and that is going to, whatever block that you have this month is going to help you to move something towards something better. So don't take it as a block. If we talk about your money or wealth, amazing cards, because there is Ace of Pentacle, there is 10 of Pentacle, there is King of Pentacle. That's all abundance. So you don't have to be scared in any ways. Don't be scared of kind of investing. Don't be scared of buying something. If you're thinking of buying a property, home, you can go ahead, do that. If you're thinking to kind of invest more into your business or make your business big, there's going to be flow in that as well. So money wise, there is no problem. I don't see any negativity with regards to money. Rather, there is more money that is coming into your life. So money wise, you're going to kind of grow well, because there is abundance. There's a card of abundance. Also, there's a possibility of some money flowing suddenly to you from your loved ones. There's from, if somebody has taken money from you in the past and has not returned it, that money might also come back to your life. Also, some money might flow from inheritance or family property. So money is definitely going to flow into your life. If we talk about love or relationships this month, some old relationships might come back into your life, because there is a healing that is needed there. There are some things that were not closed and that needs to be closed, and it's nothing to be worried about, nothing to be burdened about. If you actually look at the positive side of it and sort that, it's going to work out wonderfully well. So there's nothing to be worried about. If you're looking forward to have a new connection in your life, a new relationship in your life, that also will flow into your life. So that's also another positive thing. You can propose, or you can get a proposal. If you wanted to choose between two people, possible. There's a possibility that you get a better way of choosing. There is also a celebration that I kind of see on your card. So this could be a wedding, an engagement, a childbirth, or any kind of celebration that happens in your life. So for the marriage is also positive. There are also cards where you will probably spend time with your family, with your siblings. You might travel. There might be somebody who will guide you. There might be people who will take your guidance. So all in all, a lot in family area is going to happen in your life. The only thing is, don't look at what is negative. Don't look at what is lost. Don't look at what is not happening or what is not positive. Make choices and make actions. That is going to be very important. Action is very important this month. So if you keep on thinking that, okay, I will do this, I will say this happened, that happened, then you'll be indulged into that thought, that story only. Don't indulge into that. This month, don't think about things, rather act. And don't be fearful of anything. Don't think that if I say this, something wrong might happen. Nothing wrong will happen. Your cards are very, very positive. Don't burden yourself. Don't overburden yourself. If you need help, ask for help. If you need support, ask for support. Your relationships are going to get better this month only. If we talk about childbirth, again, the cards are positive. Don't indulge into any kind of negativity and take care of your health. These are the only two things that I will tell you with pregnancy or with childbirth. If you actually take care of your health, don't feel blindfolded, don't be negative, don't get into that zone, don't be fearful, then everything is going to be fine. If you talk about your job or work, the cards are again positive. Some opportunity might come from your past. There might be a thing that you wanted to do in your past at some point in time, and that thing or that opportunity suddenly presents itself to you, and you might just celebrate that. That might just happen. The only problem is, it feels like you might just feel that, oh, I'm not ready for it, or do I take a step, or I'm fearful, will I be able to do it? And you might not take a step. So taking step is very important this month. Taking chance is very important. Making the right choice is very important. And if something comes to you, like for example, if you've been waiting for an increment happens and you think that that's not what you deserved better, or if you think that it should have happened before, it happened late, don't indulge into any negativity. Whatever is happening at this point in time is going to take you towards abundance, is going to take you towards growth. So everything is going to work out for your growth. Work related travel, yes, possible. If you're into your business, you might get a partner, but that partner is not going to be like a 50-50 partner, 60-40 or some other ratio. Or somebody might just gift you something that might help you with your business, an idea, some money. Money definitely is going to flow into your life. Your business will start doing well. If you are into family business, that will grow. So overall, money wise, your cards are very positive, and career wise or job wise, your cards are very positive. It's all about making choices. You will have a choice this month, either to indulge in sadness, either to look at what is lost, what is not there, blindfold yourself, or to look at these cups that are still standing there, to look at how you can make choices and move forward. Make choices and move forward. That's going to help you. If we talk about students, for students this month, it's a month to get guidance, so you can take up further studies. The guides will be around you. It's a month to make choices, to make the right choices for yourself. At times, we end up doing things that we don't want to do, and we feel that we are not meant for that. Or in the past, we've had an experience where the result was not as good as we wanted, or things were not good as we wanted. So those kind of thought might come into your life, but it's mind, but it's not going to be negative at all. Don't burden yourself. Ease yourself, ease your mind, concentrate on what you want to do, concentrate on your studies, and if you do that, the things are going to work out very well for you. You're going to see success in whatever you do. Just don't be afraid. Just don't be afraid and take action. It is important to study. It is important to take action. It is important to move forward. If we talk about soul growth, this is the month where you need to actually break free of stress. You need to actually break free of burdening yourself. Don't get lost into the past. Don't get lost into what is not working out. Don't get lost into what are your fears. This month is a month of action, and for the month of action, it is important to connect with your inner self, connect with your guides, and connect with what things you can create in your life rather than thinking about what happened in your past. The more you focus on the future, the better future you're going to create for yourself, and that's going to help your soul grow. And once your soul grows, you are on your life path, everything is only abundance. That's why this is the month where you actually focus on relieving all the things that have been weighing heavy on your mind, relieving the past, letting go of the past. If we talk about your chakra of the month, the chakra of the month is sacral chakra. Sacral chakra is located 2 fingers below the navel. The mantra of sacral chakra is VAM. VAM, VAM. Please do this chanting. It's going to help you with your fears, with taking action, with balancing your emotions, with letting go of the past. It's going to help you with all of that, and also getting that stability and abundance in your life. So just do this meditation every day. If you talk about your mental exercise, the card is victory. Now, how beautiful. The card is victory, and the card is saying that you have victory. Ultimately, everything is going to work out for your best. Believe in yourself. The affirmation is, I am achieving great things within myself and in the world. I see myself as a success in many wonderful ways even now. So that is why this month you have to only focus on success, only focus on abundance, only focus on the things that you want to create in your life. Just know that, focus on what you want to create. Do you want to create sadness? No, don't focus on that. And action is going to be important this month. If we talk about number, the number of the month for you is, I'm going to give you 3 numbers actually, 9, 10 and 1. And that's the progress that you're making this month. So move out of this 8, move out of this stuck feeling, go to 9, 10 and 1. Color of the month, any shade of red or orange is going to be good for you. Also, if you can do the root chakra meditation, the mantra is LAM, LAM, LAM. If you can do both these meditations or all chakra meditation, there is one 7-minute all chakra meditation on my channel. Link is in the description box. If you can put 7 minutes of your life for yourself, that's going to help you wonderfully well. The first surrender actually the only surrender card for you this month is surrender resentments. Holding on to resentments only poisons you. Try to forgive others for their shortcomings and keep moving forward towards positive situations in your life. That's why I said something from the past needs healing. Let it heal. Let go of the negativity. Let go of if there are people who've done something wrong to you in the past, and if you're actually holding on to that thing right now also, you will not be able to create a beautiful future for yourself. Let go of the past. Forgive. Move forward. And how do you let go? There is an exercise that I can share that my channel has. And there is also what is the extent that you should let go? What is forgiving? How much should you forgive? So watch those videos. They'll kind of give you a solution and help you with your questions as well. That comes to our mind when we want to let go. The unicorn message is choices. There is another way. Ask your unicorns and you will find help. That's why, very important, there is a choice that you have. If you want to move into the negativity, move into the sadness, or if you want to move towards positivity and abundance. The animal message for you in Animal Angel card is Hyena. Hyena says, dare to be different. It says, Hyena wisdom reminds you to accept your own special qualities. We are all different and you are called on to rejoice in your uniqueness. Be ready to bring about change in the dynamics of your family or community or in work situation. Decide what is for your highest good, knowing that when something is right for you, the universe ensures it is in everyone else's best interests too. Keep yourself in equilibrium, balance yourself, and then listen to your inner guidance and act on it. Remember that self-discipline is the basis for ascension and mastery. Be yourself at all times, and when you dare to be all you truly can be, people will admire you and respect you, and that's important this month. Be yourself at the same time. Work for yourself and work for everyone else. So do what is best in the best interest of everyone. And holding on to negativity is not in our own interest as well. So understand, when the cards are saying do what is best for you, you need to let go of negativity, and that automatically becomes best for everyone else. What will happen when you follow the guidance of the card? The first card I have is 3 of Raphael. It's 3 of Cups. It says, reason to celebrate. A community of friends, happy announcements regarding relationship or children. Like I said, celebrations are there on your cards. They are going to happen. Just be balanced and positive. Second card is 4 of Gabriel. It says, time for a celebration. Abundant rewards for hard work. Release yourself from burdensome situations. Again, there is a celebration. So definitely there is some kind of celebration that is on your cards. Just be positive and act. Acting is very important this month. Making a choice to let go of the negativity is very important this month. And staying positive is very, very, very even more important this month. If you like the video, please share it with everyone that you can. It can help somebody get positivity. And the cards that I have for you, again, wonderful, beautiful. 10 of Swords and 1, Magician. So the 2 of the numbers that I gave you, 10 and 1. The card says, let go of the old. Let go of the old way of living, let go of the old way of thinking, let go of the old way of worrying, and there is a new sun that is rising for you, and the Magician is coming with all the resources to you. So the moment you let go of the old, the moment you let go of the past, you will see a magic happening in your life that will give you everything on a plate, served on a plate, but you have to act and make choice. If you want to know more than this, you can connect with me through through the Facebook link that is in the description box, or through the comment section. You just have to write I need my reading. I'll share my number, we'll take it forward from there. My channel have a lot of videos about soul growth, about learning, about moving forward, about letting go, about forgiving, about angels, angel numbers, guides. There are a lot of things that you can learn from. If you want to learn tarot, there is a tarot learning series as well. Please watch them. If you find them useful, leave a comment, share them with others, and your comments are very important for me. I will share. I'll meet you, or I'll see you with the next month prediction. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.